फाटली 9 वर्सां जाली सनबर्न ईडीएम इयर एंडाक गोंयांत जाता. मात ह्या फुडें ना. आतां हे फेस्टिवल पुण्यात केसनंद वाठारांत जातले. तांणी वेबसायटीचेर घाला. दुसरे सुपरसोनीक ईडीएम ह्या पयलींच गोंयच्यान गेला. हायकोर्टाची बडी पडल्या उपरांत सनबर्नाच्या अर्जाचेर सरकारान ताणून धरिल्ले. पुलिशीचे सेक्युरिटीचे 200 कोटी रुपया उरल्या ते पयलीं भरात, मागीरच अर्ज पळोवया म्हूण टुरिझम खात्यान भुमिका घेतली. पैसे भरचे सोडून सनबर्नान पुलिसांक तोपी घालून गोंयच्यान कूस मारली. सनबर्ना कडल्यान उरिल्ले सगळे ड्यूज वसूल करात म्हूण ट्राजन हायकोर्टान गेल्लो.
The tourism ministers say that he has decided and agreed with the principal secretary of tourism. The file of EDM festival should not be processed unless and until they have paid their dues. Is really trying to fool the people of Goa. I would like to recall that in this regard I had filed a petition in the High Court in the year 2015, and on 17/12/2015 the court passed an order that all dues should be recovered expeditiously. But till this day the government has done nothing to recover it. This stand that the government has taken today is only because I have already filed a petition on the 19th of this month before the High Court, bringing to the notice of the High Court that the recoveries have not been done. He talks that only the police dues are remaining. He is not aware how much dues are remaining. Even the entertainment tax was not cleared.
ट्राजन म्हणटा त्या प्रमाण सनबर्नान फक्त पुलिशेचे पैसे बुडयल्ले ना, तांणी खंय एंटरटेनमेंट टॅक्सूय भरिल्लो ना. गोंयच्यान गेले तरी टॅक्स आनी पुलिशेची बिलां भरपाक आयोजकाक चूक ना. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.